Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove standby widgets on the iPhone 15 running iOS 17. First, let's put your phone into standby mode. And in order for us to do that, first let's go back to your home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Standby. At the top here, tap on the Standby toggle button to turn on Standby, and then we swipe up to return back to the home screen. Next, plug your phone into a charger, make sure it is in charging mode, and then have it stand sideways. Now allow your phone to settle for a few seconds, and then it will go into standby mode. Once you are in standby mode, to add or remove the widgets, make sure you go to the widget screen. There are 3 different screens in standby mode. So if we swipe across, we have the digital photo frame screen. We've got the predefined clock screen. So you want to swipe across to the left until you go to your G widget or double widget panel screen. From here, touch and hold onto one of the widgets. And then, in order for you to add in more widgets to the stack, tap on the Add button. And from here, sorry, I just accidentally closed that. So we just wait for a few more seconds, and we go back into standby mode. Okay, so now that we are in standby mode, let's open that widget suggestion again. So tap on the Add button, and in here, to look for a widget, you can go down the list, or you can select one of the suggested widgets on the right hand side. Otherwise, go down the on the left hand side, go down the list and select a widget that you can select a widget that you like to use. So in here, there are a lot of different widgets that you can use, from App Store to batteries, books, calendar, clock, all the way down to weather. So you can choose weather widget, wallet, Apple TV, stocks, and screen time, Safari. There are just so many widgets that you can select from. So just tap on Add Widget, and then tap on Done. Now once you are on a widget panel, you can cycle through them by simply swiping up and down, and this will allow you to cycle between different widgets. And you can also customize the widgets on the right hand as well. On the right hand of the panel, you can also touch and hold onto that, and then you can tap on the Add button, and this will allow you to add in more widgets. Now to remove a widget, you can tap on the Remove button. So tap on the Remove button, then tap on Remove, and this will allow you to remove widgets from the stack. And then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can add or remove standby widgets on the iPhone running iOS 17. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.